In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add an unsubscribe link to your Mailchimp emails. Whether you're using the new or legacy builder in Mailchimp, ensuring that your email campaigns include an unsubscribe link is not just good practice, but a necessary one for compliance with anti-spam regulations. The process? It's simpler than you might think. Let's jump right into it. So, the first thing you'll need to do is access your email campaign in Mailchimp. Once you've opened it up, look for the specific text block where you want to place your unsubscribe link. It's usually best to include this option somewhere that's easy for your subscribers to find. Many choose the footer of the email for this purpose. Now, let's move on to editing a text block within your email campaign. Simply click to edit it. Next, you'll want to decide on some text that will become your unsubscribe link, something clearly indicating its purpose, such as unsubscribe from this list. Go ahead and highlight that text with your cursor. This is the portion of your message that will be linked, making it functional for your subscribers to opt out if they choose. With your text highlighted, look towards the toolbar for a familiar icon that looks like two chain links connected. It's your link tool. Once you've clicked on the link icon, you'll see fields where you can input a URL. Now, this is the crucial part. In the URL field, you need to input the unsub. This is Mailchimp's built-in merge tag, specifically designed to generate an unsubscribe link that meets all regulatory standards. Be sure to double-check that you've entered the merge tag correctly. This merge tag, unsub, is what ensures your email's unsubscribe option is compliant with existing laws, making the process seamless for both you, as the sender, and your subscribers. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Save. This step is vital to secure the changes you've made, so don't skip it. And there you have it. This method effectively adds an unsubscribe link and works across both the new and legacy builders in Mailchimp, meaning you don't have to worry about which version you're using. By following these steps, you'll ensure your email campaigns provide an easy opt-out option that respects your subscribers' preferences and keeps your communications professional and compliant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Feel free to explore other videos for more Mailchimp tips and tricks to enhance your email marketing efforts. Until next time, keep crafting those compelling campaigns and happy emailing.